Welcome to another Home Economics online class. Today we're going to be making apple tea cake. So download the recipe, the link is below. We're going to begin by measuring your ingredients. So half a cup of sugar, use the back of a knife and then level. 1 cup of self-raising flour, using the back of a knife to level. Like this. You will also need 1/3 cup of self-raising flour. Repeat the process. When measuring liquid, place the jug on a flat surface and you will need 1/2 cup of milk. Here is all the ingredients that you will need. 1/2 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of butter or 63 grams, some extra sugar for dusting, a pinch of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 1 egg, 1/3 cup of flour, plus 1 cup, 1/2 an apple and 1/2 cup of sugar. So let's begin by creaming the butter and the sugar together. Use an electric mixer if possible. You'll need to mix the butter and the sugar together for approximately 5 minutes. Until it's light and fluffy, like this. After 5 minutes, add the vanilla essence. And then I like to add the egg to a separate bowl first before adding it to the main bowl, just to prevent shell getting in the main bowl. Like this. You're going to mix that for approximately 1 minute. And you may need to stop the mixer and scrape down the bowl. When everything's combined, you're going to add 1/3 of the flour to a sifter and you're going to sift this into the mixture to add air and to prevent any lumps. Fold to combine. You don't want to overmix. Now you're going to add approximately 1/3 of the milk to the mixture and stir a few times. You're going to repeat this process, add another 1/3 of the flour, then the milk, then the rest of the flour, and then the last of the milk. And in between, take care not to overmix. Like this. Now you're going to add the mixture to the cake tin. Just over half fill the cake tin. And now we're going to slice the apple into thin strips. I like to leave the skin on the apple for extra decoration, for extra colour, but you'll need to remove the apple core and any pips. Arrange the apple around the cake. You could do your own choice of pattern here like this. Sprinkle with extra sugar if required, and now bake for 30 minutes in a preheated oven, and then serve with fresh cream or ice cream and enjoy.